A lemon is acidic, okay? A lime is acidic, but when you consume it, it's alkaline to the body. Contrast this to a piece of meat, which is neutral to the acid side. When you consume it, it leaves an acid byproduct. So the key is not what the fruit is, like an acidic fruit. It's what it does when you consume it. When you consume it, it becomes alkaline. It's highly astringent. It breaks down mucus. It cleans out the body, and it leaves an alkaline deposit. So if you eat nothing but lemons, your body will be to the alkaline side. If you eat nothing but meat, your body will be to the acidic side. Okay, so it's response on the mucosa or the mucus. If you consume this, mucus is not stirred up. It loosens mucus and it removes and breaks them up. If you consume meat, it increases the mucus, and the mucus gets suppressed and stays in the body. So big difference. Yes, acidic, but it's acidic as a fruit, but alkaline when you consume it and it's digested.